Hello, this is Pedro the Pigeon Construction. I'm here in Maplewood, New Jersey. Just do this video. This is roof replacement project. After we finish, that's house look. That's the front side. Then we walk a little bit in the front. We have other porch over there. Okay, this is in the bottom of place, the porch. That's how it look after we finish it. The top part in the first floor, that's how it look. Reach vent, chimney flashing, installation, that's how it look. So that's project. What we do is we replacing the shingle in plywood. So there before how the plywood was half-inch plywood, was everything's blending, was quicker. So that's why we put a 5/8 plywood over here for make sure it was a strong one. So that's how it look after we finish it. So you're looking for any professional service like roof repair, replacing, installation, restoration, siding, roofing, gutters, attic, escalator, chimney, interior home restoring service, you can contact us 973-573-6191. So like I said, that's in the back porch. So yeah, that's it for today. Keep watching. See you next video.